Hi, it's Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we are going to be tasting this, I believe is called a Madoc, M-A-D-O-C. We will have the actual name printed down at the bottom because I don't have my glasses on and I can't really read it. These are some mangoes we picked up down in Homestead from Mango Men of Homestead, and I think they're ready. This one is maybe a little over ready. I'm going to try the over ready one first, just to kind of see if it's really over ready or not. So.
I don't know. I unlocked some core memory.
Yeah, there's something there, but I couldn't think of what it was either. This.
Good.
It is a little overripe, but it is weird. It's a little, got a little bit, maybe reminds me of
It tastes like fingerstop fruit. If you have fingerstop fruit, but you actually had a bite full of it, because there's never that much flesh on it, that's what it reminds me of.
Reminds me a little bit of papaya.
I've never had papaya. It tasted this good.
Well, I mean, it's I don't like papaya, so
If I
for
like
it to taste
papaya,
like papaya, this tastes like the good parts of papaya that I don't like. That the ones that I like I don't like. I don't pick up on this.
So we have an overripe with
Yeah. So again, this one is overripe. This one's got
still
some
edible and good.
This one's starting to. It's got a good texture.
Tiny bit of fiber, but not that.
I just it's hard for me to really kind of put a. We'll have to try this one that's not overripe. But yeah, even overripe, that's not bad. All right, let's try
Got a creamy sweetness to it.
Let's try. Yes, it does. It's creaminess. All right, let's try this one that's a little less overripe, but hopefully still ripe.
It definitely looks ripe.
It's very juicy. Both of these have been very juicy.
Tastes very similar to the other one.
Yeah, wasn't that different. I don't think that one was terribly overripe. I think it was starting. The skin was starting to get some breakdown on it.
There's some complexity of flavor though in this.
It's very hard to. I mean, a little bit.
There's a little bit of pininess.
A little bit of melon, a little bit of papaya, a little bit. A little bit of pininess, yeah. Sweetness level's really good. It's not like overly sugary sweet, but it's good. Very juicy. This is a hard one to put a label on. It's not, I mean, there's like a little bit of citrusy, but none of the notes in it are particularly strong.
There's nothing bad about it.
Yeah. This is one of those.
It doesn't remind me of another mango.
Yeah, this is one of those that I would have to kind of see what other characteristics it has. Is it a high producer? Does it have great disease resistance? Or, you know, what are the other characteristics of it? Bless you.
Thank you.
That would make it worth growing. Yeah, I mean, overall, it's good. It's not the best mango I've ever had, but there's nothing objectionable about it, and it's not standard mango. It's like, you know, most of them I can, and most of them you've probably seen a lot of my videos. I end up comparing to some item that's in a mixed fruit cup, and it's not like any of that. It's unique enough. It's good. I would give that like a 7.5.
Do you want to try some, Valerie?
Tell us what you think.
Not as good flavor as others will sometimes have.
There's no tartness to it at all. It's just a sweetness, and Valerie likes a little bit of tartness to her mangoes.
There's no tartness.
Right.
Yeah, it's good. It's just a little hard to. It's just a little hard to put your finger on.
You can cut off that other side for me.
I know you were waiting on it more.
So it's good enough to want to eat it.
Yeah.
Because I'm kind of picky about which mangoes I like.
But I could eat more of those.
It's creamy and sweet.
Yeah. It's creamy and sweet with a, oh, thank you so much.
Tiny bit of
With
nuttiness.
With a nice balance of flavor complexities in there. I wouldn't say it has any terpenes. What's the word? What's the word we usually use for that? We don't talk about the terpenes. They call it
Resin?
resinous. Yeah, it's not resinous at all. But
Sweet and
it was
creamy.
good.
No
It was-
citrus flavor.
Yeah, overall that's a good one. So,
Yeah.
hooray. We liked it. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.